Hello guys, welcome to my channel Couple IT. If you're a new member of my channel and you're the first time to see my videos, please press subscribe button and bell it to support me and to post a lot of amazing, interesting video and useful video for you. In this video, I will show you how to make an amazing and interesting video virus. This virus is not dangerous than damage. You can run it in your PC. The name of this virus is I love you, and the promo code or say the name of this video and this virus is I love you. And let's start how to make the I love you virus, and it's very interesting and amazing. At the end I will run it in my PC for you. At the first you should type at echo, okay, at echo off, then type the color of the first command prompt and 57, and then type echo, and then type echo, then we say hey, okay, hey, do you love me? We type do you love me? Inside parentheses write only answer in only answer in yes or no. It is you can, as much as you want, you can change this sentence, okay. And then type set /p love equal sign. Then type if inside parentheses sign excuse me guys, inside the percentage sign type love and the equal sign, that if love equal to yes, okay, go to love. If love equal to no, go to hate. We made a for example a loop. At the first if the answer was yes, okay, if the answer was yes, echo, write echo I love you too, okay, I love you too, and then several dates, and then type echo meet you soon, okay, meet you soon, and then pause, okay, then pause. If we type if the answer was no, what should it do? Okay, and we type pause, and if the answer was no, echo the first echo but I love you, but I love you, these words, and then echo you're hacked, okay, you are hacked, and then echo, then type echo your PC will crash, okay, will crash after 10 seconds, okay guys, 10 seconds, and then we set timeout in 10 seconds, and shutdown, type shutdown 100, okay. It's finished. It's a very simple and very amazing, interesting virus. I want to save it in here by the name of love.bat. You have to save it by .bat and save it. Now I want to run it in my PC and see guys this. Hey, do you love me? Only answer in yes or no. I want to type yes, I love you too, meet you soon. If I type no, and then my PC will crash after 10 seconds, and I don't want to shut down my PC. And you can also run it in your PC. It's very amazing, interesting videos. And if you want to support me to release the very and make a very powerful virus for you, please press subscribe button, and I will upload for you a very nice and very dangerous viruses, and it's just for educational purposes. Okay guys, and thanks for watching my videos, and see you guys up to next video.